Hello guys, here are just a few clips of the gas tank. You may recall that my friend Dick gave this just a bit of a rub down after I got the tank, and we weren't sure what the finish was when we got it. Anyway, Dick took this over to a friend of his, Bill, who's a painter, and he wet sanded it, and here's what it looks like. Yeah, I'm absolutely delighted with the tank. It's perfect. I mean, Bill picked out a couple of very minor imperfections, but I'm really pleased with this. So no respray is needed, and next steps will be to apply the pinstriping and the decals, and more to follow on that, guys. Anyway, sorry, this is just a quick one for now, and I'll get back to you again soon with more progress on the cylinder heads.